So hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about one more recursion problem, that is get a subsequence for a string. Okay, so let's try to understand that what is the definition of subsequence first. Okay, so definition of subsequence tells that we can get a subsequence for a particular string by deleting one or more or all the character of string, but the condition is sequence, or I can say the condition is order of character should not change. Okay, so this is the definition of a subsequence. Okay, we are allowed to delete one or more character or all the character of a string, but the condition is order of the character should not change. So let's try to understand what are the subsequence for ABC. Okay, so one possible is ABC itself is a subsequence. Okay, another can be, if I delete C I will get AB, if I delete B I will get AC, and if I delete BC I will get A. Okay, so till here I got all the possible subsequence for from A. Okay, so let's try to generate all the possible subsequence from B. Okay, from B I can get BC, I will delete C, I will get B. Okay, so I got all the possible subsequence from B. And now let's try to generate from C. Okay, from C, one is C itself. If I delete C, I will left with empty string. Why empty string? Here the definition says that we can delete one or more or all the character. Okay, just focus on this. I have told that all the character we are allowed to delete. If I delete all the character, then we are left with empty string. Okay, so empty string is also one possible subsequence. I hope you understand this. Why we have taken here empty string? We are allowed to delete all the character. Okay, because it is also one possible subsequence, right? Okay, so let's try to build the solution using our framework. Okay, okay. So first thing is find out the find out the base case. Okay, so let's try to find out the base case. Okay, for ABC, I can make all the possible subsequence if I get result from BC. Okay, now BC will tell I can make all the subsequence, but the thing is I should get all the possible subsequence from C. Okay, now C will tell I can make all the possible subsequence, but the thing is I should get a result from empty string. Like how much subsequence empty string can make. Okay, so empty string will tell and I can make only one subsequence, that is empty string. Okay, because empty string, if we have been given with this, what you can do, you cannot delete anything, correct? Empty string is itself empty, you cannot delete anything, correct? So we are left with empty string itself. So this says that we have the base case is when the string gets empty, we need to return that. Okay, okay, so base case we have found out that the smallest sub problem in any given string for the subsequence can be a empty string. Fine, now let's move to the second point, that is make a diagram. Okay, make a diagram. So let's try to analyze it using a diagram. Okay, let's suppose we have been given as ABC. Okay, and I want to make a all the possible subsequent for ABC. Okay, what ABC will tell, bring to, he will order the BC. Hey BC, please bring all the possible subsequence, and once you bring the result, I from them I will make all the possible subsequence from ABC. Okay, fine. What BC will tell? BC will order to C to bring all the possible subsequence. Once C will bring, he can make all the possible subsequence for BC. C will order to the empty string to bring all the possible subsequence. Once empty string will bring, C can make all the possible subsequence using empty string. Okay, fine. As we've seen that our base case is the empty string. So empty string will tell I can make one possible subsequence that is including myself. Okay, here it will return that answer in a list that here here is my result. Now you can make all the possible subsequence using a C. Okay, so here C has two choice. Okay, either he can include in this empty string and make a C, or he can deny to come with this empty string so that empty string will remain empty itself. Okay, fine. C has two choice. Okay, either he can come with empty string and make C, or either he can deny to come with empty string, and so that, and if he deny, the empty string will remain empty by itself. Okay, this result it will return to BC, and he will tell BC, this is my answer. Now you can make a result using for BC. Okay, so BC will tell okay. So he got result as C and the empty string. Okay, now here BC will tell, BC has an option. He can come with C and make BC. Either he can deny to come, so C will remain single. Okay, he have two choice with this empty string also. He can come with this empty string and make B. I'm not writing here empty string. Okay, assume that here empty string is also there. Okay, B plus empty string, but we don't need to write that, so I'm not writing it. Okay, either he can come with empty string and make B, either he can deny, so the empty string will remain empty. Okay, this answer he will return to ABC, and he will order A that I have bring the result of BC. Now you can make the result of ABC. Okay, so he will make result for ABC. So we had this result till now. Okay, so he had choice. What choice? He can come with BC and make ABC, or he can deny to come with BC. So BC will remain as it is. He can come with C and make AC, or he can deny, so AC will remain as it is. Sorry, he can deny, so C will remain single. He can come with B and make AB, or he can deny, so B will remain as it is. He can come with empty string and make A plus empty string. I'm not writing that, okay, because we don't need to write this empty string. Okay, because any character with in our Java, any character with empty string, what will be the answer? This doesn't contain any character. Okay, so it is going to remain C. Correct. So we don't need to write that. Okay, or I can deny to come with this empty string, so it will remain empty. Okay, so these are the possible result for ABC. I hope you understand this. Now let's move to the third step, that is build a relation. Build a relation. So a relation is pretty simple. We are trying to find out the solution for ABC. Okay, so A can build a solution if he get result from BC. Correct. Now BC will tell I can build a solution, but if I get all the result from C. C will tell I can build a solution if I get all the result from empty string. And empty string will tell I have only one result, that is me itself, empty string. And if once he return the result, C can, based on the condition, he can decide, based on the condition he have to come or not. Based on that, he can generate all the possible subsequence. Correct. So relation is, if I get result from the subsequence, if I get result from the subsequence, that is BC, I can generate all the possible subsequence for ABC. If I get subsequence from C, I can generate all the possible subsequence for BC. Okay, so you can understand the dependency. Okay, the bigger problem, that is A, is depend on the sub problem BC. Correct. So let's move to the last part, that is code it. Okay, code it. So let's try to code it. Okay, so we have in one function that is void. Okay, or we have to return a list. Okay, we have to return a list, so I'm going to return array list. We have been given as string. Okay. So we are going to make one function get subsequence, and it will take one string. And what we are going to do is we will remove the first character string. Okay, how to remove the first character? S dot substring. We will remove the first character, that is 0. Okay, 0 to 1. So it will give the 0th character every time. We will remove the first character. For example, A, B, C is there. I am trying to remove A. Okay, so I will in first character I will get A. Fine. First character. This is a variable name. String, rest of string. So how I can define a rest of string? Substring. Sorry for the typo. Substring from 1. 0th character I have already taken. Now I want result from BC. So 1, and you don't need to pass the length because substring is a function. If you pass one, argument, it will assume initial index. Okay, so it will return me here. I will get A, and here I will get BC. Okay, now I will call the function. Okay, get subsequence. So it is going to return me. It is going to return me list, right? It is going to return me list of string. Okay, it is going to return me list of string. I can name that as result and get subsequence. I can tell. Okay, this initially this was my sub problem. Sorry, initially this was my problem. Now I have made a sub problem BC, and I will order get subsequence to bring the result for BC. So BC storing rest of the string. Okay, so I will pass the rest of the string. Okay, once I get the result for rest of the string, what I need to do is I will make another list. I will name that as all result. Okay, I will name that as all result new array list. Fine. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I will iterate through all this the result. Okay, I will iterate through all the result I got from BC. Okay, string, I can name that sub result. Okay, result, and what I can do is I have a choice. Okay, I have a choice that SR I can A can come with that SR, like from BC I got result as BC B. From BC I got the result BC C B and empty string, right? Now I have A has a choice to come with BC, and make ABC, or he can deny to come with BC, so BC will remain same as it. So we are doing that here, that thing only. I have a choice that I should come with BC. If I come with BC, then I have to attach. Okay, assume that I want to come with BC. So first character is my A, correct? First character plus substring result. Okay, I I have a choice. I can come with BC. If I come, I can make a result ABC. Okay, or I can deny. So it will remain BC itself. So for deny, I will add again dot add. I this time I will not return not add first character. I will just add simply sub result. Okay. Okay. So it will iterate through all the result we got for BC, and he will add A or he will deny it. Okay, the same thing it will do for C. He will add A and make a C. He will deny I, so it will remain as C itself. Okay, so at the end we will be returning this all result. Fine. Okay, so this is our code. The one thing we are left is if at certain point the string length is equal to 0, then what we need to do is we need to make a list, array list. We need to make a array list, and in that we need to add a empty string, because what was the base case? Our base case was the length is equal to 0. There is one subsequence. There is one subsequence that is empty string. Okay, so we are adding this and we are going to return this. I don't have space, so I'm writing here return L. Okay, fine. So let's try to code it so you will understand more better. Okay, once we will debug that. Okay, so we have made one class that got to get subsequence. Okay, what argument it states string array args. Okay, so okay, so we will write this afterward. First we will write our method that get subsequence. Okay, subsequence, it will take one variable that is string. Okay, it is going to return a list of string. Okay, so what was the base case? The base case was if string length is equal to 0, we need to make a list. I will name that variable as L new array list. Okay, in that array list I will add empty string. Why empty string? As I told you before, if I don't have anything, if string length is 0, there is one subsequence that is empty string. Okay, I will return that. Okay, fine. Now what I'm going to do is string. I will take first character equal to s dot substring 0 to 1. Okay, so I will get here, for example, ABC is there. I will get here. Okay, rest of string. Okay, so s dot substring from 1. Okay, so if you pass the beginning attack, it will take from till last. Okay, so ABC is there. It will take from it will give here BC. Okay, and I will call my function. It will return the result for BC. So result, I will name that as the result, and I will call that get subsequence, and I will pass the rest of the string. Okay, what I need to do is I need to make one variable. Okay, I will all result. Okay, right. Now I will iterate to the result which I got from the get subsequence, and I have a choice that to include the first character with this result with this value, or not to include. Okay, once I prepare this, I will return this for result. Okay, so let's try to check for before I get static. Okay, so system.out.println get subsequence. I will pass here ABC. Okay, so let's see what is the answer. Okay, so here let me print like this. Okay, so you will understand more better. Okay, what happened here is, okay, so this is correct. We are getting the all generated subsequence. So let's try to debug once and try to understand this code. Okay, so my main method call, okay, get subsequence, that is get ss, okay, with the string I have passed, that is abc. Okay, so this base case is not satisfied, so we will move in here. So as I told, I will get the first character, so I got here a, okay, and rest of the string I will get bc. Now I will call get subsequence, so I will go inside that. I went here. Now my problem, my problem divided into sub problem, that is bc. Okay, so condition is not satisfied, this condition, so I move here. Now I will remove b from bc and the rest of the string, that is c. Okay, so again I will call get subsequence by passing c. Okay, so c is my new problem. So base condition is not satisfied because length is 1. Okay, so I will remove first character, that is c, and rest of the, and I will get here rest of the character. So here rest of the character will remain as empty, correct? From 1 I am trying to get, so it will give me empty. Okay, so I will pass this empty string there. So now length of, because string is empty, okay, so the length of string is 0, so this condition is good, again going to get satisfied. So I will add that in my list and I will return that list. Okay, so it will return, where it is going to be written, it will return, it will return at c. Okay, so I got in c result the whole generated subsequence as empty. Okay, now whole, I will make whole result by adding c to the result. Okay, if I add, it will make c, and if I ignore, it will remain empty. Okay, so at last I will get, at last I will get two subsequence, that is c plus dash and dash. Dash denote here empty. Okay, now let's come to this whole result is going to return at bc. Okay, so we came here, we again make a new list, and I will iterate over the result I got from the c, and in that we had a choice to come with c and make bc. Okay, or he can deny to come, so we will be adding c as it is. Okay, fine. Now another was empty. Now we had a choice to come with that empty. Okay, so I came and I have made b. Okay, or you can deny, so it will remain as it is. Okay, so I have prepared my result, I will return this to abc. Okay, now I will generate all the result by iterating over the result I got from bc. Okay, so what result I got, let's see, I got from result from bc, I got a result as bc, c, b and empty string. Okay, so I first one that came is bc. Okay, so I have a choice, I will come with bc and I will make abc. Okay, so if you see here now, if you see here now, in all result we will be, in all result we will be getting as abc, or I have a choice to ignore. Okay, if I ignore, now if you see all result, we have two subsequence, that is abc. A come with bc and make abc, he denied to came, so bc remain as it is. Okay, now we are moving to another iteration, that is c came. Okay, I have a choice to come with c and make ac, and I can deny to come, so c will remain as it is. Okay, so now we have four subsequence, that is ac, because a come with c and make ac, a denied, so c will remain as it is. Okay, now the last iteration b came, I can come with b and make ab, and I can deny. One more iteration is that is for empty string. Okay, so I can come with empty string and I can make a, I can deny, so empty string will remain as it is. Okay, so I got all the possible. Okay, so if you see in the console, I will get all the possible subsequence for abc. Okay, so I hope you understand this code. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.